Dear friends, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are diving into Natas, a war game from over the wire which is designed to sharpen your web security skills. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. It really helps the channel grow. Now, let's jump in and start hacking our way through Natas. The level I'm going to do will be level 29. So then we can copy this address or URL as starting point. We can head over to Linux and paste into the address bar of the browser. Press enter, and we are required to provide username Natas29, and also we can get its copy from notebook. We can copy and paste in here, sign in. So, some gibberish or garbage data. Maybe it doesn't have any meaning, right? However, there is drop down and we can select like a Perl underground, and there's some more information displayed on this page. And if you select different option, you will get a bit different thing, right? And you can check its URL, and the page or the file is PL. PL extension stands for Perl. To be honest, I don't know very much about this programming language, Perl. And also there is parameter file and followed by Perl and underground. So maybe here Perl is command like PHP. So we can guess maybe this parameter exists. Not file inclusion vulnerability exists command injection. So how to test such vulnerability? We can utilize the power of Bubble Suite. And so how to do? Let me first turn on the proxy to Bubble Suite. So all requests will be going through the Bubble Suite, and then we can launch Bubble Suite. So Bubble Suite is one of famous web proxy which can allow us to manipulate requests and sometimes response to find vulnerability of web application. If you have already followed my channel, you know that I've already used this utility a lot of times. And so it's loaded, and we can navigate to proxy tab and turn on this option of intercept. And now we can go back to the browser and refresh the page by pressing key enter, and then we can get this request. We can send the request to repeater module, and let me make the window to be bigger. So now we need to do some kinds of testing. For example, we can test whether we can access the password file. Okay, so now we can send, but nothing returned. So next we can try to add some layers of upper directory. Password. So now we are testing the file inclusion vulnerability. Send. Unfortunately, we didn't get anything different. So next we can try to, command injection, for example, like semicolon ls. Send. So I don't think it works. Actually, we need to use it this way, the pipe operator or vertical bar and ls. And even this cannot work. We need to put the percent and 00. This means now. For URL encoding, if you send request, and you can get some actual content. Even you can put the option ALH. We can send. Oh, there's some, maybe we need to encode. So we can use plus here. Plus stands for space. In URL encoding, we can send. And we can get the content of current directory. Okay, so now what it means that the application indeed is vulnerable to command injection, and we can utilize this operator, the vertical bar or pipe operator. So what are we going to do next? Our goal here is to retrieve the password for the next level. And as we know, the password lies in this file. This one, we can copy and paste over here. So we can change the level from 5 to 30. And now we can copy and we can run command cat rather than ls and followed by the pass. Okay, so now we can send, but nothing returned. So how to do? Just now we know that in the current directory we can use ls command or list command to retrieve the content of a current directory. So maybe next we need to retrieve the source code of this file, this page, index.pl. Yeah, this one. So how to do? We can use the cat, and of course we need to have plus, which stands for space, and index.pl. Okay, send. Okay, now we can successfully retrieve the source code of this file. And let's check. So here, I think, this Perl script is checking, or there is some kind of blacklist. We'll check if the input contains Natas. If contains Natas, and then we'll drop out our string and print this message. So we need to bypass such filter. So how to do? It's very easy, because now we can run cat command. Next, let me copy this path. So here, in Linux, we can use wildcard like here. we can use the question mark and question mark. For example, let me go to working directory over wire Natas. Okay, so we do not need to get all of characters of each file. For example, ls exploit, and for example, like question mark, or no such. Maybe we can use the at risk, as you can see. So here, the question mark stands for one position. For example, I can demo this example again. XP question mark Lloyd py exploit, but this doesn't work. So how about XP question mark Lloyd cat exploit. So here I replace one of characters by question mark. As you can see, we can retrieve the same file using wildcards like question mark and asterisk. Okay, so this is the principle we are going to use. So how to do? We can put the question mark. So now by this question mark, we can bypass filter adopted by the application. So now we can copy this path and then we can forward the request. As you can see, we successfully retrieve a password for the next level. So to quickly recap, this level involves Perl command injection and also involves how to bypass filter adopted by the web application. So I think that's pretty much it. I'd like to see you in the next one. Bye. Have a nice day, please.